Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick video, you are going to see how to deactivate Discord account. So let me show you the steps you have to follow. So disabling and deactivating your Discord account is actually the same. So if you want to do it from your desktop or browser, if you'd like to disable your account via desktop, head over to user settings via pressing the cogwheel next to your username and you'll be taken to My Account tab. Here, select Disable Account under Account Removal, and once you have selected the Disable Account button, please follow the prompts to complete the process. And the app process for iOS is usually the same. You will have to go to the Account option and go to Disable Account. And for Android, similarly, go to User Settings by swiping right of your Android device and pressing your user avatar in the bottom right corner. Select account and then select disable account to initiate the prompts to follow. And in here, just go to account and then go to disable account like this. And here you have to just follow the procedure to disable or deactivate your Discord account. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this will help you out and we'll see you in the next video.